All right, here's the carpet we're cleaning. Pretty straightforward. Nice 1970s looking avocado green. And let's see a special challenge here. Right here, they have a large dog in the office who loves to eat all of his treats right there. That is going to be a challenge. So we'll see how that turns out. We'll keep you posted. All right, something like this, you have to spray it like you mean it. We'll spray this quite a bit, and then we'll scrub it, rinse it, probably spray it again and scrub it and rinse it again, and then we'll see what we got. Starting to break up a little bit. It's going to be a challenge. I knew it. Woohoo! Well, this is just round one. If I use my imagination, I could see green under there. All right. Getting better. Any carpet cleaners watching this video, we're using Mark Sager's product called P-Zyme. It's an enzyme cleaner to break down organic matter in carpets. A lot of times it'll be for things like pet accidents, also things like blood, vomit, any organic type of staining or soiling.
Pretty much it, just a little bit left.
Yeah. We placed a small air mover or fan to help speed dry this area in question while we're cleaning the rest of the office. This will help us to see if we need to treat it maybe a little bit more yet while we're here. But it actually turned out very nicely. It was very stubborn, but we finally were able to win against this bad spot. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.